And very pertinent topic in today's context. Cybersecurity challenges are not only impacting the enterprises within their boundaries, it is also impacting the employees or the individuals who are working in the enterprises. And again, to expand it further, it is not about enterprise applications or enterprise security or enterprise network or the data centers which are getting impacted. This is also impacting the individual's devices, say for an example, mobile phones or laptops or iPads or other devices, applications such as SMS, the WhatsApp, these are also getting impacted. So it is actually covering, it is spreading across, and it is covering the entire gamut of, employees and enterprise both. So in our organization, we are doing a lot of reforms. As to say, when you say reforms, it is basically digital transformation. We are having heavy digital transformation in terms of IoT implementation in manufacturing space, the shop floor automation, quality management system implementation, supply chain reforms. Then a lot of digitization is happening in the materials area, HR, finance, all the areas we are doing heavy digitization, because you have understood one thing: future digital enterprise will only depend on companies who are really good and strong in processes and strong in digital footprint. They will only survive in the future, because that is what has been proved during the pandemic. At the same time, for cyber security, we are not taking as a traditional security implementation approach. We are actually looking at cyber security from a strategy point of view. So it is also one of the agendas in the board meeting. And like example, I can give you some of the solutions which we are implementing or going to implement very soon. One is EDR solution, another is data loss prevention solution. Then we are looking at SOC services. We have already implemented SOC, which is Security Operations Center, but now we are expanding that to all the geographies. Say for an example, all over India, we are now rolling it out. We have currently done it for 5 locations, but we are going to do it for all over India, 69 locations, plus abroad locations in Europe and ASEAN countries. So cybersecurity challenges are being addressed in implementation of software solutions, creating awareness within the employees, and also trying to protect the perimeter of the cloud services which are there at this point of time. So a lot of initiatives are going underway, and hopefully we look to be a more secured organization in future days to come.